Hey there, welcome to the Automation Mentor, where we break down powerful tools and show you how to use them effectively. Today, we're diving into a platform that's been making waves in the world of automation, Make. If you've ever wondered how to connect your favorite apps, automate repetitive tasks, or streamline workflows without needing to write code, this video is for you. So what exactly is Make? At its core, Make is an automation and integration platform. Think of it as a digital assistant that helps you connect different apps and services so they can work together seamlessly. Whether you're managing projects, handling customer data, or automating marketing campaigns, Make lets you build custom workflows called scenarios to save time and boost efficiency. One of the coolest things about Make is its visual builder. Now let's talk about some key features that make Make stand out. First up, it's a no-code, low-code platform. This means you don't need to be a developer to create complex automations. But if you are a developer, you'll love the advanced options for working with APIs and custom integrations. Another big plus, scalability. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, Make grows with you. You can start small with simple workflows and expand into more intricate setups as your needs evolve. But who exactly can benefit from Make? Well, just about anyone. Marketers can use it to automate email campaigns or track leads across platforms. Developers can integrate APIs and build custom solutions faster than ever. Small business owners can streamline operations by connecting tools like CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and accounting software. Even individuals can use it for personal productivity hacks, like organizing their calendars or backing up files automatically. You might be wondering, how does Make compare to other tools like Zapier or N8N? Great question. While all three are excellent at automating tasks, Make has a few unique advantages. For one, it offers unlimited multi-step scenarios on most plans, whereas Zapier limits these on lower tiers. Plus, Make tends to be more cost-effective for power users who need robust functionality. And unlike N8N, which requires self-hosting unless you pay for cloud access, Make provides a fully managed service right out of the box. Make strikes a great balance between ease of use and advanced capabilities. It's approachable enough for non-techies, but powerful enough for tech-savvy professionals. That versatility makes it a go-to choice for teams and individuals looking to supercharge their workflows. Make offers a free account so you can try. No credit card required, just head over to the link in the description below to sign up. During the experimenting, you'll have plenty of time to explore the platform and see how it can fit into your workflow. That's it for today's video. We hope this introduction gave you a clear idea of what Make is and why it's worth checking out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this one. And hey, if you've already used Make, drop a comment below and share your favorite use case. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.